Okay, so she gave me some cracked coconut, y'all. We have to try this, okay?
Okay.
Oh, this tastes good. That's really nice. It may look like punk, but it is cracked coconut and it is so good. Okay, I'm just leaving the farmers market at Gladstone Road. It is the new pop-up spot for all of your native and organic foods, vegetables, and lovely little treats. And I'm so excited. Whitland Miller let me taste her organic cracked coconut. I am in love. It's so nice. And as I left, there were the coconut water vendors on the side of the road. And it's the perfect way to start the coconut tart episode of Bodine Pot. Hello everyone, I'm Bodine Victoria. Welcome to my kitchen and this is my pot. I have one question. Just how much coconut can I get into this one episode? Well, the correct answer is quite a bit. We got jelly coconut, then we got meaty coconut, then we got dry coconut, then we got coconut, grated coconut. We have coconut meat. Here we have coconut oil. Right here we have coconut milk. Hold on one second. Coconut water. 1 second. Coconut ice cream. Today, we are making coconut tarts. Y'all know I get excited. The theme song for Bodine Pot at this exact moment begins with the words, "I's a coconut goddess. Welcome to the coconut tart edition of Bodine Pot." Now that you've been welcomed, I have to say I'm so excited about this episode because I just finished the pineapple tart episode. We did a full bread with pineapple filling inside it for those types of tarts. Normally we take the time out to kind of break this open. You heard? Drain the coconut water out of it and then open this up. But instead, we're going to be using this shredded coconut from Yulette Etienne and her brand, The Coconut Factory. And I'm so excited about being able to bring this to my channel because now I don't have to mess up my fingernails. We are going to now get this show on the road. So this is what I love about The Coconut Factory. In normal circumstances, if we have to kind of prep the coconut, it will take us a while. Because we're using dried coconut, we're going to have to rehydrate this just a little bit. Okay? I'm gonna start by adding some coconut water to the pot. As you can see, my pot was pretty hot. Gonna turn that up, and we are going to put about 1.5 cups of the dried coconut into this coconut water. I want you to look carefully at how the coconut has already absorbed all of that coconut water. So we're going to add a little bit more coconut water. And the reason why we're adding coconut water and not just regular water is because we really just want the coconut. Like, I want the whole coconut experience. So we are going to take a tablespoon. You can actually use a little bit less because of what else we're going to be doing with this. That is no more than a tablespoon of brown sugar, about half a teaspoon of allspice, teaspoon of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg, a little bit of condensed evaporated milk. So this is what we call sweet cream. Gonna add literally a pinch of salt. And we're going to let this cook until, just like when we did the pineapple tart, it completely begins to evaporate. Ta-da! Our coconut is done. So I'm going to remove it from the pot. Look at that. Our coconut filling is cooling. It's going to take a while. Coconut and sugar gets extremely hot. So let's be patient. Right now, we are just going to do something that's a little bit different. I want us to start with about 1/3 cup of sugar for this one. Okay, now we're going to add about 1/3 cup of butter. I'm going to break this and, oops. Okay, got the egg whites out. This is our yolk. We are going to put our egg yolk right in there. Flour, a pinch of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, some allspice, and a little bit of cinnamon. Now that we've kneaded our dough out, we're going to take it and put it in the refrigerator. Our dough has been kneaded and I cannot wait to get to these delicious tarts. So we're going to roll out our dough and then pop them in the oven at 350 degrees. And when we come back, we're gonna have some delicious tarts. All right. Here we have it. Our oven is on. It's now time to put these inside the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. And we are going to have our old-fashioned-ish coconut tart right here. And if you want to know how I made the dough for this tart, I just want you to go and check out the pineapple tart video after this video right here. So into the oven. Guys, our coconut tart is done. We just used about 1/2 container of this shredded coconut from the coconut factory. It's only $6. Please go out and buy Bahamian and support a small Bahamian business. Take a look at how soft and fluffy this tart is. That's a coconut tart. If you want to know how I made the dough for this, go and check out my pineapple tart recipe right after this one. And finally, our coconut tart is still very, very hot. I'm not going to cut it because this needs to rest. I don't want all of the coconut falling out the second that I cut it. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this episode of Bodine Pot, the coconut tart episode. If you enjoyed it, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and do me one more good thing. Share. And don't forget, don't let any and everybody dig up in your pot. Good night.